had this vehicle for a while sitting in the yard, and I was toying with the idea on whether to go two-wheel drive as like a street car with a V8 or to make it into a four-wheel drive with a V8. If you want to see a video that makes Lightning McQueen into Mad Max's love child, this is a video for you. A wild bit of gear. The chassis frame shortening is complete. Awesome, does it look that? Doesn't that look spectacular? Tank don't fit because of this crossbar. So we're going to do the thing that makes the most sense and is probably the easiest thing to do for us, or about is safety. We're just going to squash the tank and put it back in so it'll fit. Yeah, sometimes I amaze myself on how sketchy I can do stuff. So this is probably the sketchiest thing I've done. You got, yeah, I got you there, didn't I? Yeah, you didn't think I was actually going to squash it, did you? Just to make it fit? Oh, yeah, I did. What else was I going to do? I had to squash it. There was no other way. Or make another fuel tank. What was the surprise you said you had for me, Gary?
Hey Jim, look at your speed, your taco thingy,
Okay.
thingy.
Hey! Oh, look at them pretty lights.
Pretty lights. Now we just got to get the rest of the car going.
Oh, okay. Oh, well, we'll work on that then, eh? All the wiring is all complete. Now we've got a starter motor problem. Doesn't that sound cool? haven't installed them yet. There we go. I think I can make something out of that. Let's get that onto the workshop. Well, I've left it here for about a week, full of water, and I think we'll be right. Thought it'd be a good thing to put a seatbelt in. I was going to go one of those big fancy ones, you know, the multi-harness things, but couldn't afford that, so I've got the original factory ones. Like, I don't need a fancy one, do I? So I don't drive radically, and this car definitely won't be getting thrown around much at all, so... No, it'll be right. but it's the last time you'll ever see it red. So let's have a little look in the shed while we're in between coats. Wow. So we're at our secret location. We finally arrived. It was a bloody long drive. Anyway, so we're here, and good and bad news, I think we got security cameras that, you know, we probably shouldn't be here. So if we find a couple of zombies, we'll go and run them down and
Leave.
leave. Yeah, so before the authorities turn up. Oh, hang on. We are the authorities for zombies.
For zombies. What's that behind that tree over there, Jim?
I think that's a zombie.
Seatbelt, seatbelt.
Hang on, see? I can't give me someone on. Oh, no. Who needs a seatbelt? Let's go.
I'm on, let's go. Thanks,